I am very proud to have David Austin. English roses are imported directly from US on June 2022. She will bloom with unusual continuity throughout the season. What you are currently seeing is the second wave of flowers in my garden's second year. Take a look at its blooms, large flower with rich orange-red buds open to chalice-shaped blooms, filled with loosely arranged orange petals. The surrounding outer petals are salmon pink with beautifully contrasting golden yellow undersides. There is a pleasant, warm tea fragrance. It quickly forms a bushy shrub with slightly arching stems and mid-green leaves, which have attractive, slightly bronzed tones when young. Charlotte's lady's flower color varies during the period. It starts as a beautiful apricot pink shade and then turns into a deeper pink. Its flowering period lasts for about 5 to 7 days, but as a group, the blooming lasts for a month. The key is that after one wave of flowers finishes, it starts nurturing the second wave of flower buds, so its blooms keep on opening continuously. During this spring, the branches near the ground were damaged by frost, but new shoots quickly sprouted from the ground. Now the plant is about 1.5 meters tall, and I use it as a shrub. Besides its beautiful flower shape, Charlotte's Lady has a unique apricot pink color. Some of the flowers have a deep apricot pink hue, while others have a slightly lighter shade. By the end of its blooming, the flowers turn into a pink color, and each bloom looks exquisite. This color is relatively light and delicate. The branches of this plant are relatively soft, so after rain they droop a bit. I really love its color. It's truly beautiful. Look, there are even water droplets on the flower. It started blooming from May this year, and now it's the end of July or the beginning of August, and this is its second wave of flowers. The second wave seems even more magnificent than the first one. In this place, it receives about 6-8 hours of sunlight. Next to it, there are daisies, and their flower stems are also very long, accompanying this plant. It's just too adorable. Whether you look at it from the front or the side, it is incredibly beautiful. Thanks for watching.